Treasure. Hello. First of all, love the title, by the way. Are we ready for this? Let's go. I heard it was a very you know what, I F what I hear. Let's just watch this. Off the bat? Hello. Damn. That's dizzy. Is that the same bench that was used in Icon? Oh, I love those headphones. I need to get my own. Oh, dancing EDM feel? Hold up. Hold up. Oh, with the dance, the little pool. Wait, please. The way it's gonna break down might kill me. It might slay me. It's very upbeat. Yeah. You know what's crazy about this? And how I know this is gonna be my favorite song from Treasure? Ooh, my life. Let's go. Okay, let's go. We love the skaterboard. Ooh. Hey, 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 hey. Pop, pop, pop. Without you, everything's a lie. Did he try feeding me? Hold on, hold on. Oh, it's like a POV date. Ah, kamusta? They had Tagalog. I am half Filipino, by the way, guys. My life. All my life. Ooh, 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 me too. Songs a bop. Yeah, songs a bop. Ooh, ooh. 2, 3. Hey, let's go. Oh, this is so fire. Actually. Damn, okay. I'm looking. What the hell is he wearing on his head? What is that? All my life. Damn, that was a lot. I was gonna say, off the bat, I kind of knew I was like, oh, this might be my favorite, because the reason why, oh, I don't really mess with the hair, but the reason why, the way it started, I was like, wait, because when I first heard of Treasure, was it Crazy? Let me see, Treasure. When they came out with this, it's not the similar vibe, but you understand, right? This is where I fell in love with their, I was like, ooh, I like this song a lot. So it kind of like has a similarity. But this is when they were mad young. This is when we were mad young. It's literally made for a festival, for like a hype concert. Imagine them in, aren't they going on like a world tour? Oh my life. Good song. Good song. Good job. Good job, YG and oh my. Good job. Very well made. I like the song. So I'm like multitasking. Oh, what's up? KML's here? I think they killed it. Especially coming from like they're the youngest YG group right now, right? And I kind of like that. I think we need that type of, I love this part for some reason. I love that part for some reason, actually. It's the stank face. Cause you know that shit hit? That's stank face. I remember when people were like, why are you making that face? Does he not like the song? You just not cultured. You just not cultured to the stank face. You just when something hit like boom, like damn, like that hit good. It's a good thing. It's a good thing.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.